Welcome back to our journey through Vietnamese history. In the previous episode, we explored the ancient period and the millennium of northern domination. Today, we delve into the medieval period, a time of great transformation and cultural flowering, as Vietnam emerged as an independent nation and witnessed the rise and fall of various dynasties. The medieval period began with a resounding victory against the Chinese forces at the Battle of Bac Ang River in 938 AD, led by the brilliant military strategist Ngo Quyen. This triumph marked the end of Chinese domination and the dawn of Vietnamese independence. The Ngo dynasty, though short-lived, paved the way for the establishment of the Yên and early Le dynasties, which further consolidated Vietnamese sovereignty and expanded the nation's borders. In 1010, Lai Kong Yuan ascended the throne and founded the Lai dynasty, moving the capital to Thăng Long, present-day Hanoi. This marked a golden age in Vietnamese history, characterized by peace, prosperity, and cultural achievements. The Lai dynasty was succeeded by the Tran dynasty, which faced the formidable challenge of Mongol invasions. Under the brilliant leadership of Trần Hưng Đạo, the Vietnamese army achieved 3 resounding victories against the mighty Mongol forces, safeguarding Vietnam's independence and earning a place of honor in world military history. The Tran dynasty also witnessed a flourishing of culture and arts, with notable works such as the epic poem The Tale of Q and the development of water puppetry. The Hồ Dynasty, though short-lived, left a significant mark with the construction of the Citadel of the Hồ Dynasty, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcasing innovative architectural techniques in urban planning. The Le dynasty, founded by Le Loi, marked a period of renewed independence and stability. Le Loi's leadership and military prowess led to the expulsion of the Ming dynasty from Vietnam, ushering in an era of peace and prosperity. The dynasty expanded Vietnamese territory southward, reaching the Mekong Delta. The Mac and restored Le dynasties followed, marked by internal conflicts and power struggles. The Tây Sơn dynasty, led by the charismatic Nguyen Huệ, briefly unified the country and repelled the Qing invasion, showcasing Vietnamese military might. Finally, the Nguyen dynasty emerged, establishing a centralized state and leaving a lasting architectural legacy with its elaborate tombs and palaces in Hue. The Nguyen dynasty also witnessed a flourishing of arts and literature, with the development of Tuong, classical Vietnamese opera, and the compilation of the I Viet Su Ky Ton Nu, a comprehensive history of Vietnam. The medieval period was a time of great transformation for Vietnam, marked by the consolidation of independence, cultural flourishing, territorial expansion, and the rise and fall of various dynasties. This rich and complex history has shaped the Vietnam we know today, a nation with a strong sense of identity and a vibrant cultural heritage. The medieval period came to an end as Vietnam faced a new threat: French colonialism. Join us in the next episode as we witness the Vietnamese people's struggle for independence and their heroic resistance against foreign domination.